guys, good morning. Today is November
3.
Yeah, November 5 and ayan, it's Monday. Si Kuya hatid namin siya sa school, then kami nila Sak and Holly mag-grocery kami. So,
Hi guys!
mamaya na lang ihatid muna natin si Kuya. Okay, see you Kuya. See you. Listen and okay. How about those si Sak?
That was my kid.
Sir, arms please. Thank you. And good girl. Okay, see you Kuya.
Say Holly.
Okay, put your arms now, Holly. Let's go. Mommy, do it. Okay. Put your arms in, please. Hurry up. We're going, sa Holly. See you, Kuya. Okay, put your arms in, please. Good girl. Okay, sit down, okay? Don't remove your arms from the strap, okay? Opo. Okay. See ya. Guys, dito pala kami muna sa Kmart. Bago kayo mag-grocery. Kasi si Sak, nag-promise ako sa kanya na pwede siyang kumuha ng toys na kung anong gusto niya kasi he's been very good boy. Right, Zach? You've been very good with what you've been doing to mommy.
Clean up.
He's been cleaning up na hindi ko naman siya inuutusan. Nagwa-vacuum siya. Oops, Holly, come here. Ayun si Holly. So, yan ang promise ko sa kanya. So, ngayon papunta kami dun sa mga laruan. At saka dala namin yung yeah. Then dala namin yung ginawa niyang bag dun sa school, sa artwork, sa candy. Ayan. Yan daw ang shopping bag niya. Baba, halika na. Slowly. Sana walang makita si Holly. Hi. Ano, huwag mo sabihin na kalahating araw naman tayo dito sa mag-grocery pa tayo. Diba?
I want this car.
What car? Ayan guys. Hindi naman siya makapag-decide kung anong gusto niya. Ha? Yeah, you already have that car, Baba.
This what teacher has.
Yes.
Right? It's right.
Yeah, it's broken now.
That's a tool.
That was good. What's that? Dinosaur? You have a lot of dinosaur love.
Oh, this one has a string.
What?
Drone.
A drone? How did you know a drone?
Because.
Because what?
Oh, that's a
How did you know? Alam niya yung drone.
I want this drone.
How did you know this?
Because other people have them.
Other people have them.
You're thinking you are liking the dime.
Okay.
No. I want this one. My baby. My baby. My baby. Me and my brother.
Gusto niya daw ng drone. Hindi naman siya marunong yan. What's that, Holly?
Baby.
That's not baby. That's monkey.
Baby.
Monkey. Try me. Here. May nahanap din siya para sa kanya. Si Sak gustong gusto niya itong drone. Sinabi ko diba kahit ano pwede niyang piliin. Pero except dito kasi wala naman siyang cellphone. Sabi niya gusto niya raw itong dalawa. Tig-isa raw sila ni Kuya TJ. What's that? Ayan, natatagalan na naman kayo dito guys. Yung isa busy din oh. Ano na love? Hoy, why you got two? Why two?
Oh, this is for 5. I'm 5. Yes, I want this. I want this.
May nahanap na siya guys.
It says 2 players.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Means to say you gonna play with?
Toya TJ.
Okay, let's go. Ayan na, nakakuha na siya guys.
Baby.
Excuse me?
Bye.
No, it's not okay. Excuse me. Only one.
Yeah.
Hoy, only one.
Back, Mom. Can you hold this and put it back?
Okay, choose one, Lala. Which one you want?
This one or that one? Cause you like pink. So
Which one you want? That one? Which one? You have to choose, Baba. Which one you want? That one.
Two?
Oh, watch out.
The temple.
Oh. Okay, which one, Baba? Choose one. Uy. Only one, love. Holly. Bye, Holly. Holly. You can only get one, Baba. Okay, which one you want? Alin dito, Baba? Okay, you choose, Baba. Which one? Please. Okay, that one, okay? Okay. Put this back. Okay, or none. Or you got nothing. Come on, hurry up. Okay, please. Okay, let's go, Kuya Sak. You're not coming with us. Bye. Come on, Kuya Sak. Yeah, come on. Come on, Kuya Sak. Please, give Mommy one, please. How about Mommy? Can Mommy have one? Thank you. Okay, let me see yours. Okay, put that back. Okay, let's go, Papa. Okay, this is for Mommy. Okay, this is for Mommy. Okay? Okay, Mommy. Okay, let's go. Gusto niya tig-isa kami. Is it nice? What you gonna say to Mommy? Sa?
Thank you for buying this, Mom.
You're welcome. Salamat po. Hindi kasya to dyan sa bag ni Sa. Kaya ayan, si Holly. Linagay niya yung toys niya dyan.
Mom.
Yeah? Okay, I saw. Let's go. Baba, hurry up, Baba. We're gonna pay now.
She just want to be like you, Mom.
Okay, Baba, let's go. We're gonna do grocery.
I'm gonna be the blazer. Mom.
Slowly. Yeah.
Not much more.
Okay, 5. 1. Yeah, wait, Baba. 3.
Oh, that land.
4. 5.
But I am rolling.
Get 2.
Mom, I want Mom, what? Mom, can we get this? Mom. Mom, can we get this?
Okay.
And your monkey waffle.
Alam niyo na to guys, ayan. Wait. Lagi siyang kumakain ito pa nag-grocery kami.
I like it too.
What you gonna say?
Yeah, boy.
Salamat po.
What are you watching? I like it. That's it, Georgie. I like it, Georgie. Don't sleep.
Yeah.
Don't sleep.
Ayan guys, tapos na kayo mag-grocery. Ayan, magbabayad na kami. Tapos, punta kami sa, bili pa kami ng tinapay. Tinapay talaga. Tingnan nyo itong isa. Busog na to bago pa kami umuwi. Oh, where is it na, Baba? Kain lang siya ng kain. Nakapag-yogurt na rin siyang isa. Nasaan na yung yogurt? We have to pay for that one. Nabusog ka na? Nakahiga ka na? Ito yung mga pinagkakain ni Holly dito habang nag-grocery. Ayan, yung yan, yogurt yan, tsaka ito. Yung Barney. Oh, but it's no more, Baba. It's finished. Okay. Put this na to. Yan, Baba, oh. Sak. Hi, Saki. Yeah, thank you. For you, Baba? 60 Wait, Baba. Okay, Baba, sit down, please. Yeah, okay, we're done. Thank you so much. Sorry, you're right. Please. Okay, Zach, let's go, Zach. Uh-oh. Get that for mommy, please. Zach. Yeah, okay, let's go. Where's the dog? Say bye, dog. Here's the dog, oi. Here. Bye, dog. Yan yung nabili pala ni Sak sa Kmart kanina. And then yung monkey na kinuha ni Holly, hindi na namin nakuha kasi hindi nila mahanap yung tag price. So sabi ko, sige, wag na lang. Tapos ngayon punta naman kami ng Baker's Delight para bumili ng tinapay. Sabi ni Holly, Mom, hurry up. Okay, hurry up na daw. Okay, punta muna kami ng Baker's Delight. Guys, tapos na ako makabili ng tinapay sa Baker's Delight. Pero ngayon nandito tayo sa sa isang bahay kasi Pilipina siya, guys. Tinda siya ng mga Filipino goods kasi yung Asian store na binibilihan ko dyan sa town, nagsara na siya, guys. So wala. So anyway, ito yung mga nabili kong tinapay. Andun pa. Oh, sa baba. So umuulan. Tapos si Holly, ayan, tulog siya habang kumakain siya ng hotdog. Oh, ayun yung hotdog niya. Oh, tulog na siya. Gisingin ko sila. Si Holly pala. Ayun yung dyan. Dyan tayo bibili ng Asian Filipino goods. So, ayan, guys. Kasi ang lakas ng ulan, no? Nakita nyo? Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Pahupayin lang natin yung ulan, then alis tayo. Baba tayo. Tapos, siguro, dapat pupunta pa ako ng meat shop, kung saan ako bumibili ng steak ni Jan. Kasi out of the way na siya, guys. So, baka next time or the next day ko na lang yung bilhin. Kasi at saka, ang lakas din ng ulan. Ayoko nang bumalik doon sa, sa town. So, yeah. Mamaya na lang ulit. Habang pinapahupa natin yung ulan, guys. Ito yung maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung anong gamit kong lipstick. Ang ginagamit kong lipstick is etong Revlon na matte na Ultra HD. Ayan. Ang shade niya is Addiction. 610 Addiction. Ayan. Maraming nagtatanong sa inyo. So, most na lipstick na ginagamit ko is from Revlon kasi gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya dry sa lips ko. Tapos, wala akong foundation, guys. Hindi ako nag-foundation. Ano lang yan? Moisturizer, tsaka sunblock. Tapos, ito yung linagay ko dito sa pa-drunk blush natin na from Tarte na Natural Beauty Cheek Stain. Ayan siya. Hindi ko alam kung makita niyo. So, ayan. Parang humupa na yung guys, yung ulan. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi maraming nagtatanong sa inyo. So, yun guys. Wala lang. Chinika ko lang kayo habang pinapahupa natin yung ulan. Tapos si Holly, para makanap din siyang kahit papano. Ang aga kasi namin umalis. Mga 8:45 kasi namin rinapop si Kuya. Anong oras na ba? Mag-12 na ata. Yan, dito na kami guys. Sana tama itong bahay. na pinuntahan namin na nagtitinda ng ng Filipino food. Ayan, dito na kami guys. Oh, that's it. Just one. Guys, it's so embarrassing kasi mali yung mali yung bahay na napuntahan namin. Kasi yung address ang sabi, walang sinabi na west. Ang sinabi lang, yung number ng bahay, saka yung street. Pero hindi nila sinabi kung east or west. So, napunta kami dito sa east. Dapat pala sa west. So, yung pagbukas pa naman ng pintuan, malaki siyang mama. Buti mabait naman. Sabi niya, dalawa raw na klase yung yung Jubilee Highway. May east tsaka by west. So, sabi ko, okay, thank you. Naghintay-hintay pa naman kami. Pahupa-hupa tayo ng ulan. Mali pala yung bahay na tinatambayan natin. Ayun na si Holly. Holly, put your arms na please. We're going. Alis na tayo guys. Punta tayo dun sa tamang address. Guys, dito na ako sa west. Kung saan yung Filipino store na sinasabi. Kaso, katok doorbell ako ng doorbell. Siguro mga 10 minutes na. Waling sumasagot. So sabi ko, balikan ko na lang next time. Kasi tanghali na, mag-aalauna na ata or 12:30. Anong oras na ba? Magti 12:30 na guys. Uwi na tayo. Okay. Okay, kasi yung mga bata, na raw sila. Pagod na sila. So, uwi na tayo guys. Yeah, I will end this vlog. So, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. See ya. Say bye.
See ya.
Bye. Put your seatbelt, Baba. Go. Put your arms. Good girl. Okay, bye guys.
Bye, guys.
Okay. Good girl. Bye. Ayan, naggisa pala ako ng Baguio beans. Ulam namin ngayon. Kasi gusto rin to ng mga bata. So, ayan, pahabol lang.